Hello, I'm Jacqueline LaFlamme. I'm a professional artist with JacquelineLaFlamme.com. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to draw a squirrel step by step. You will need a black magic marker. You will need drawing paper. You will need a pencil sharpener. You will need colored pencils. We're going to start off by just doing a nice long swirly shape, coming around for the head, stopping here and doing one more big long swirly shape to get in the body. It almost looks like the number 3. Then we're going to come back and we're going to do the paw and another little line here for the front paw. We're going to come to the bottom and just do kind of like a little semicircle just to get the bottom foot in. Then we're going to do another big long swirly shape up and down, curve around and come back down around here to create the bushy tail. And then just 2 more simple shapes to form the ears, a little oval for the eye, and we can put a little nut in his hand, just like a little acorn nut. Once we get the shape of our squirrel, we're going to take a nice brown colored pencil and start shading him in. You want to have a light touch on the colored pencil and just go back and forth in nice even strokes. And you can see how quickly you can get that filled in with a nice brown. Come down and do the paw. And you can just continue on in this fashion, doing different areas, getting in a little bit of the body. Just like this, just nice, long, smooth strokes. And you see how quickly this can be all just filled in? I'm using a dark brown color pencil just to do the base of the body. And you can continue in just like this. Now I'm going to take a little bit of a lighter brown pencil and just start highlighting in some lighter brown at the top of the head where the light would be hitting the squirrel. Just like this. I'll fill in the ears a little bit with the lighter brown, and then you can come in and you can do some big circles to get the bushy look in the tail. And you can just continue on in this fashion until the whole squirrel is filled in, and you will have a beautiful drawing of a squirrel. This is Jacqueline LaFlamme. Thank you for watching.